The criticisms you direct at others are often reflections of your own insecurities. This video will teach you the problem with projecting and how to become aware of when you are doing it. Welcome to our channel. Here we dive deep into the human experience, offering insights and resources to help you build a better life. Judging ourselves and projecting those judgments onto others is a behavior just about everybody does, but they do so unconsciously. Projecting is a coping mechanism that helps us avoid facing our insecurities and problems by attacking others and labeling them with our own inner struggles. Projection not only impacts our self-awareness, but also hurts our relationships, leading to misunderstandings and emotional distancing. Understanding this defensive reflex is vital for having authentic relationships and understanding how your mind functions. The origins of projection often lie in unmet needs, insecurities, and societal conditioning. When we experience dissatisfaction, whether in relationships, career, or self-esteem, we can easily project those feelings onto others. For example, if someone feels insecure about their skills, they might criticize a colleague's performance to deflect and avoid their own inadequacies. This projection serves as a shield against confronting vulnerabilities. Projection begins with awareness. Identifying how our internal suffering manifests in our judgments of others allows us to address our own issues rather than adopting a victim mindset and attributing problems externally. Recognizing instances where we blame others or criticize their choices can reveal areas where we're struggling with ourselves. For example, if you feel impatient with someone's behavior, consider whether those frustrations mirror any of your own problems. Journaling is an excellent practice for building awareness. Taking time to write down your thoughts and feelings helps map out emotions and identify moments of projection. For instance, if you feel envious of a friend's success, you might discover that this envy stems from your internal issues, not your friend's success. Mindfulness meditation is another powerful tool for reducing projection. By consciously observing thoughts as they arise and letting them pass without attachment or judgment, you cultivate clarity. This practice helps you recognize ego-driven automatic responses and separate them from thoughtful, conscious reactions. When you encounter judgments about yourself or others, pause and breathe. Inhale through your nose and slowly exhale through your mouth. This calm break can help you assess situations objectively while giving you time to formulate a response. Getting feedback from family and trusted friends can also be invaluable for identifying projection habits. We are often blind to our own patterns, and an outside perspective can reveal behaviors we may not recognize. Accepting feedback takes humility but opens you up instead of closing you off. Empathy is the secret to overcoming projection. By understanding the experiences and challenges of others, we judge less and see ourselves in them. Empathy requires genuine curiosity about other people's perspectives. It can be developed through active listening and engaging with diverse viewpoints. Whether through conversations or literature, exposing ourselves to different life experiences helps us see beyond our own limited awareness. Recognize your triggers. When you feel the need to project, remind yourself to stop and reflect. Ask yourself questions like, what am I feeling right now? Or, how might this person's life experience differ from my own? This process trains you to adopt a more compassionate mindset that gradually replaces judgment with understanding. By recognizing how projection functions as a defense mechanism, we gain insight into our personal patterns of thought and behavior. Implementing techniques like mindfulness, self-reflection, and seeking honest feedback reinforces self-awareness and empathy. Committing to these practices opens the door to healthy relationships and deepens connections with yourself and others. Remember, this journey of self-discovery and personal development takes time, effort, and patience. The life-changing rewards are entirely worth it. As you progress, you'll see the benefits unfolding before your eyes, and it's truly astounding. Please subscribe if you want to receive more valuable insights about the mind, psychology, and personal development. Thanks. I really appreciate you watching.